In this video, we are going to show you how to construct a wall cabinet. There are two methods to construct a wall cabinet. First is using the clips and screws provided in the box, which we will show you in this video. And the second method is to use a pneumatic Brad Nailer and staple gun. Either method will provide the necessary strength and durability for building your cabinets. First construction method requires wood glue, rubber mallet, and a screwdriver. Second construction method requires wood glue, rubber mallet, pneumatic Brad Nailer with 1-inch 18-gauge brads, pneumatic staple gun with 1-inch 18-gauge staples, and a screwdriver. To start, remove all contents from the cabinet box. Place the top section of the cabinet box on your working area to ensure the cabinet does not get scratched while building. While the table is clear, pre-install the clips on the top and bottom panels. Once the clips have been installed on those panels, place them off to the side for later use. Place the face frame of the cabinet face down on your working area. As you can see, the cabinet face frame has pre-drilled dados. The dados will be located on the sides, top, and bottom to accommodate all the panels. Before proceeding with the side panels, locate your clips. Attach your clips with the silver flush mount screws to the face frame in the designated area. Also, place a bead of wood glue in the 4 grooves of the face frame. Next, place a side panel with stained or painted side out. Ensure the side panel is flush with the bottom of the face frame and all dados align. Once the side is flush with the face frame, use the clips that you pre-installed to attach the side panel to the face frame. As an alternative to clips, a pneumatic staple gun can be used to fasten the two pieces together. Placing a staple every 4 to 5 inches is recommended. Continue on and complete the other side the same way. After the two sides are constructed, place the top and bottom panels in the dados between the two sides. Ensure the panels are seated into the face frame dado. Do not fasten these panels together until the back panel is in place. The last step in completing the cabinet box is to install the back panel. Now, place the back panel dado side down and insert it into the side panels. Once the back and side panels are aligned, use the clips you pre-installed to fasten the panels together. Use the silver flush mount screws to install the clips. Complete these steps for the other side. Also, on the back of the back panel, there are pilot holes for screws. Using the black screws provided, insert the screws into the holes to fasten the panels together. If a Brad nailer is being used, fasten the sides to the back panel by inserting brads into the side. The last step in constructing the cabinet is fastening the door to the face frame. Place the door face down on the table and install the hinges in the designated area. After the hinges have been attached, install the door bumper on the top and bottom corners. Next, attach the door to the face frame. On single door cabinets, the door can be installed on either side depending on your need. Extend the hinges to an open position and use the silver rounded screw to fasten the door to the face frame. There are also pilot holes in the face frame for easy installation. If the door is not square, use the adjustment screws to correct. The final step in installing the door is attaching the soft close to the top hinge. Locate your soft close mechanism and place it onto the top hinge attached to the face frame. Using the screw on the soft close mechanism, make a full turn on the screw for completion. Now install the riser. In the same location of the soft close, take the screw out of the hinge and reinstall the screw with riser attached. Now the cabinet is complete. Install the shelf with the provided shelf clips and clean the cabinet of any unwanted glue or debris.